Hi everyone, Don Singletary, and welcome to the only channel devoted exclusively to helping home investors learn how to trade the Micro Eminis. It isn't easy being a trader, and today we're going to talk about one of the hardest things to find, and that's your confidence in trading. And we're going to kind of take a study of it, look at it from some different angles, and try to find an approach that can make it a little bit easier to come by. Confidence can be one of the most fragile things in trading. You see, you can't gain confidence without experience. And someone once said experience is what you get when you didn't get what you wanted. So it's a kind of a paradox in a way. Today we have that most important subject that traders try to gather, confidence, how to gain the confidence to grow your account and to increase your profit size. I want you to think for a second what it means to be a trader that has no confidence. It's quite a turmoil to be in. Well, I don't think it's beginning traders or even other traders so much fault that they can't have confidence in their trading, but that's a deal killer. You will lose your account balance unless you learn to trade with confidence, but you have to do it a certain way. Now, most people think that the more complicated a system is, maybe you take an MACD and you add an RSI and a pitchfork and you change the default settings on the MACD and you overlay one time chart with another one, and it gets more and more complicated, and therefore the thought is that it's going to get better. Well, actually, that's the worst thing you can do, because that's not the way your brain works at all. Take a new trader that, say, gives it 2 or 3 week trial, and they try something for 5 minutes, and then they try something for 15 minutes, and then they change the chart, then they change the time, then they add another indicator, then they use a different type of chart. They go from candlesticks to bar chart, and they try everything. Well, at the end of the 3 weeks, they say, boy, this trading is really tough. I've tried everything and nothing works. But that's precisely the problem. Your brain cannot learn something and get better at it unless you give it something consistent to work with. Now, both Albert Einstein and Leonardo da Vinci said it. It wasn't me. But simplicity is the ultimate form of sophistication. And Steve Jobs might have been in that group too. What I strive for here on the channel to help home investors learn how to day trade the Micro Eminis is consistency and simplicity. Just imagine for a moment that you're in a big room and you have a blindfold on, and there's only one chair in the room. Somebody keeps moving the chair every few minutes and you need to sit down. Well, your brain cannot learn something unless you give it consistency to feed on. I'll talk more about that in a moment. But here's the charting that I use on the channel. If you're a regular viewer, you already know this. NASDAQ100, $2 a point, candlestick, 5-minute increments, and the MACD. I want to talk to you about trade signals and why I chose the MACD. It is, if not the most popular, one of the most popular trade signal indicators in the world. Now I'm going to tell you something about trade indicators, and as you can see in the panel on the right side of the screen, there are over 110 listed there, but there are actually over 300 different ones. But what people don't know, especially beginners, and a lot of traders have been trading for years, is that all of those 110 or 2 or 300 trade indicators are all made from the same 8 bits of information. There's just 300 different ways to display it on the screen. So in a way, they're all the same thing. Now, you can use any trade indicator you want. It's your money, right? And you should. You should find something you're comfortable with. If you're looking for a place to start, you can use mine, shout it to the hills. I don't care. But I know that it's a good starting place for beginners and that it works for a great many people. I can't guarantee what your results are going to be because we're all so different, and true trading happens between your ears, not on a chart or an indicator anyway. You have to gain some experience to be able to be good at it. Don't keep constantly changing the methods. It's the surest way in the world to trick your brain and not give it anything consistent it can latch onto so it can build some knowledge and experience as you go on. And it's almost like starting over again every time you change trading signals and charting methods and everything. Now, Warren Buffett's rule number 1 is preserve your capital. And rule number 2, he says, is never forget rule number 1. Now let's move on to items 2 and 3 on the plan for confidence here. Do not measure your success by your win rate. Sure, all of us want a high win rate and, well, we want a 100% win rate and no losers, but that's impossible. So don't set yourself a win rate target of 80 or 90% because you're probably not going to make it. You might make it for a day or two, but eventually the numbers will catch up with you. Did you know that professional traders, the best professional traders, rarely have a win rate more than 55 or 60%. You see, it's about how much you make and how much you keep from losing that determines your success. It isn't your win rate. That's a myth. And don't confuse a losing trade with your ability to make money. If you lose a trade, you say, oh no, what did I do wrong? Well, listen, you're going to lose 40 to 50% of your trades anyway, and that's not a wrong thing to do. It's just how it is. You have to learn how to make more than you lose, not get the higher win rate. So don't think because you have a losing trade that you've failed or done something wrong. It isn't true. There's a lot of things going on in this trading that we have simply no control over. So it's just part of a gig. And now let's move on to points 4 and 5 of this plan for confidence we're trying to discuss in today's video. Learning how to lose successfully. It even hurts to say that, doesn't it? Because in our culture, we're taught to win more often, bigger and better all the time. But trading's not like that. You're going to lose 40 to 50% of your trades. And if you can't lose successfully, you're going to get an account that is bruised, hurt badly with broken bones. It's like a Hollywood stunt man or woman. They have to learn how to fall properly to be able to survive to work another day. And that's how you learn to lose. I call it losing successfully, because you don't want to let those losses run on. And also, winning successfully means being able to use your trade signal indicator, the MACD, and to be able to look at it and tell it is a leading indicator. You can tell if the momentum in your market is slowly dribbling away, you may want to use it to exit the trade. Now, I have many examples in the videos here on the channel about how to do that. You might look for the playlist called MACD Winners and some of the other videos too. Now look at that, $150 profit. Doesn't that feel good? Feels great, right? Well, remember it, because when you lose, you have to feel just as great and just as good. Sorry to tell you the news, but it's two sides of the same coin. And that's how it is. And if you need to learn that, practice until you do. You know, I find it absolutely crazy, the opportunity we have. We have a trading desk right in our pocket now, and technology goes relentlessly on at an increasingly exponential rate. And I think it's a lot of fun. That's why I wrote the book. It's why I put the channel up here, because I've been trading over 30 years, and I think the Micro E-minis are the most exciting thing for the home investor to come along in a long time, maybe ever. And I hope you have a good time with it. Please take a look at my book. You'll see the book link below. I've got a few other links on the broker I use and a couple of playlists you can look at. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified and you won't miss the new video postings that I do almost every week. And that like button, I use that for a purpose here. I don't need you to tell me you like me, but when you hit the like button, that tells me you want more videos like the one you're watching now. So if that's true, be sure and click the like button. It helps me get the material out to you that I know you need. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you, and thank you.